Rhode Island's small size is a product of its historical and geographical development. When the original 13 colonies were forming, Rhode Island was established as a haven for religious freedom. Its founders, led by Roger Williams, wanted to create a colony that was distinct from the others. As a result, Rhode Island was carved from the larger territories of neighboring Massachusetts and Connecticut, with its borders shaped by natural features like rivers and coastlines. Geographically, Rhode Island is located on the eastern coast of the United States, bordered by the Atlantic Ocean, which, limited its potential for expansion. So, the state's shape is defined by a series of inlets and islands, making it particularly fragmented and compact. This compactness was further reinforced by the practical realities of settlement and the fact that much of its land was already occupied by other colonies. Ultimately, Rhode Island's small size isn't due to lack of ambition or growth, but rather the result of historical decisions, geography, and its early role in the development of the American colonies. So its size, though small, is rich with historical significance and continues to serve as a reminder of the state's unique role in American history.